If you're planning to build a barndominium with a budget of around $300,000, you've probably asked yourself one question. What can that budget actually get you in 2026? The answer might surprise you, because it's no longer just about square footage. The smartest barndominiums today aren't necessarily the biggest. They're the ones with better layouts, more natural light, and design choices that make the entire home feel far more expensive than it really is. In today's video, we're counting down 5 incredible barndominiums that deliver exceptional value around the $300,000 price range. From modern farmhouse designs to stunning contemporary layouts with walls of glass, each home offers something unique. Keep in mind that construction costs vary depending on your location, site preparation, labor rates, and the finishes you choose. The homes you'll see today are realistic design concepts inspired by current US barndominium trends, giving you a practical idea of what this budget can achieve. And make sure you stay until the end, because my number 1 pick combines luxury, practicality, and long-term value better than any other home on this list. Let's get started. Our first home proves that you don't need a massive budget to create a luxury feel. In fact, some of the most expensive-looking homes are surprisingly simple. This modern minimalist barndominium focuses on clean architecture instead of unnecessary details. From the outside, the design immediately feels fresh and timeless. A crisp white board and batten exterior pairs beautifully with a charcoal standing seam metal roof. Large black-framed windows create bold contrast while allowing plenty of natural light inside. Warm cedar accents around the front entrance soften the modern look and add just the right amount of character. Instead of spending money on complicated roof lines or decorative trim, the budget is invested in features you'll notice every single day. And that's one of the smartest decisions you can make when building any home. Step inside, and the open concept layout immediately makes the space feel larger than its actual size. A vaulted ceiling with exposed wood beams creates an airy atmosphere without increasing the home's footprint. Natural light pours through oversized windows, making the living room bright throughout the day. At the center of the space is a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. It isn't oversized or extravagant, it's simply well-proportioned, giving the room a warm focal point without overwhelming the design. The kitchen follows the same philosophy. Everything is clean, functional, and easy to maintain.
If you're looking for a home that never goes out of style, a modern farmhouse might be exactly what you're after. It's one of the most popular barndominium designs in the United States, and for good reason. It combines the warmth of traditional country living with the clean lines and functionality that today's homeowners want. From the moment you pull into the driveway, this home feels welcoming. A white board and batten exterior, black standing seam metal roof, natural cedar posts, and a wide covered front porch create a timeless first impression. The porch isn't just for looks. It's a practical outdoor space where you can enjoy your morning coffee, watch the sunset, or simply relax at the end of the day. Step inside and you're greeted by a spacious open concept layout. The vaulted ceiling instantly makes the home feel larger than it actually is. Exposed wood beams add warmth without making the room feel heavy, while large windows fill the space with natural light throughout the day. At the center of the living room is a beautiful stone fireplace that creates a cozy atmosphere during colder months. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find one of the biggest selling points of this home. A large center island provides plenty of prep space while also serving as a casual dining area. Quartz countertops, shaker-style cabinets, matte black hardware, and a walk-in pantry create a kitchen that's both practical and stylish. One feature many homeowners appreciate is how the dining room connects directly to the covered back patio through oversized sliding glass doors. That simple connection makes family gatherings feel larger and creates a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. The primary suite is thoughtfully separated from the guest bedrooms, giving homeowners a little extra privacy. Inside, there's enough room for a king-size bed, a comfortable sitting area, and direct access to a spacious walk-in closet. The bathroom features a double vanity, a frameless glass shower, and a freestanding soaking tub that gives the space a luxury feel without requiring an extravagant budget.
Homes like this typically range between 2,000 and 2,200 square feet, offering 3 or 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and an attached garage. For many families, it's the perfect balance between comfort and affordability. Builder tip: one of the smartest upgrades you can make in a farmhouse design is investing in quality windows. Larger windows don't just improve curb appeal, they reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day and make every room feel brighter and more spacious. That's an upgrade you'll appreciate every single day. But while this farmhouse feels warm and inviting, our next home takes a completely different approach. Instead of focusing on rustic charm, it creates the feeling of living in your own private resort. Imagine walking through your front door, and instead of looking into another room, you're greeted by a beautifully landscaped private courtyard filled with natural light. That's exactly what makes this design so special. Unlike a traditional rectangular layout, this home wraps around a central outdoor living space. The result is more privacy, better views, and a stronger connection between indoor and outdoor living. From the street, the home looks elegant but understated. Clean white siding, black framed windows, cedar accents, and a simple roofline give it a modern appearance without feeling overly complicated. But once you step inside, everything changes. Large walls of glass immediately draw your attention toward the courtyard. Natural light fills nearly every room, creating a bright, open atmosphere throughout the day. The living room features a vaulted ceiling, exposed timber beams, a modern stone fireplace, and comfortable seating arranged around the outdoor views rather than the television. It's a subtle design choice, but it completely changes the feeling of the space. The kitchen continues that connection with the outdoors. A large waterfall island, custom cabinetry, and premium appliances create a clean, modern workspace. And thanks to the expansive windows, even cooking dinner feels more enjoyable.
The dining room becomes even more impressive when the sliding glass doors are opened. Suddenly, the indoor dining space and courtyard become one continuous entertaining area. It's perfect for family gatherings, weekend barbecues, or simply enjoying fresh air while having dinner. The primary bedroom is located in its own private wing. Large sliding doors open directly onto the courtyard, allowing you to step outside and enjoy your morning coffee without leaving your own private space. The ensuite bathroom continues the luxury feel with a freestanding soaking tub, double vanity, walk-in shower, and soft indirect lighting. Depending on the layout and finishes, homes like this often range between 2,100 and 2,300 square feet. While the courtyard adds architectural interest, it can also increase construction costs slightly. So keeping the roofline simple is one of the best ways to stay closer to your target budget. Builder tip: if privacy is important to you, a courtyard design is one of the smartest layouts you can choose. Instead of looking toward neighboring houses, your main living areas face your own private outdoor space, making the home feel quieter, more secure, and far more relaxing. And speaking of dramatic views, our next home takes natural light to another level. With floor-to-ceiling glass walls and a breathtaking open-concept layout, it's easily one of the most modern barndominiums on today's list. If natural light is at the top of your wish list, this home might be exactly what you're looking for. Modern barndominiums have come a long way over the last few years, and one of the biggest trends in 2026 is maximizing daylight with larger windows and open living spaces. This design embraces that idea beautifully. From the outside, the home makes a bold statement without feeling over-designed. The clean white exterior is paired with a dark standing seam metal roof, while massive black-framed windows stretch from floor to ceiling. Instead of hiding the surrounding landscape, the architecture makes it part of the home. As you walk through the front door, the first thing you'll notice is the incredible amount of natural light. The entire great room feels bright, open, and connected to the outdoors. A vaulted ceiling with exposed wood beams creates extra volume, while polished concrete or engineered hardwood flooring gives the interior a clean, modern finish that's both durable and easy to maintain. At the center of the room, a sleek linear fireplace adds warmth without distracting from the view outside.
The furniture is simple, comfortable, and intentionally uncluttered. Every design choice encourages the eye to focus on the landscape beyond the glass of the house. The kitchen continues that same philosophy. A large waterfall island provides generous workspace, while full-height cabinetry offers plenty of storage.
Integrated appliances keep the design clean and seamless, and oversized pendant lights add just enough character without overwhelming the space. Just beyond the kitchen, the dining area sits beside an entire wall of glass. Whether you're enjoying breakfast at sunrise or dinner at sunset, the changing outdoor scenery becomes part of your everyday experience. The primary suite follows the same modern design language. Floor-to-ceiling windows create peaceful countryside views, while soft neutral finishes help the room feel calm and relaxing. The ensuite bathroom includes a freestanding soaking tub, a frameless glass shower, floating vanities, and warm, indirect lighting that gives the space the atmosphere of a boutique hotel. Homes inspired by this style typically range between 2,200 and 2,400 square feet, depending on the floor plan and garage configuration. One thing to remember is that large glass panels are usually more expensive than standard windows. If you're building on a budget, it's often smarter to place oversized windows in the living room and primary bedroom while using more standard-sized windows in secondary spaces. That approach gives you the same dramatic effect while keeping costs under control. Builder tip: before choosing oversized windows, pay close attention to your home's orientation on the property. Positioning the largest windows toward the best views while minimizing excessive afternoon heat can improve both comfort and energy efficiency for years to come. This design is modern, bright, and incredibly elegant. But our number one home combines everything we've seen so far: the warmth of the farmhouse, the efficiency of minimalist design, the luxury of a private retreat, and the functionality every family actually needs. If I had a budget of around $300,000, this is the design I would build. Not because it's the biggest, not because it's the most expensive looking, but because it offers the best overall balance of style, comfort, and long-term value. From the outside, the home immediately stands out. A symmetrical front elevation, white board and batten siding, cedar accents, black framed windows, and a wide covered front porch create timeless curb appeal. The landscaping is simple but intentional, allowing the architecture to remain the focal point. Step inside, and everything feels connected. The great room, kitchen, dining area, and outdoor living space flow together naturally, making the home feel much larger than its actual square footage. The vaulted ceiling creates openness without unnecessary complexity, while exposed timber beams bring warmth and character. A floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace anchors the living room, creating a comfortable gathering space for family and friends. The kitchen is designed around everyday living. A large quartz island provides room for cooking, casual dining, homework, or entertaining guests. Custom cabinetry extends to the ceiling, maximizing storage while maintaining a clean appearance. The dining area opens directly onto a spacious covered patio. Instead of treating the backyard as an afterthought, the design turns it into another living space. With comfortable seating, an outdoor dining area, and plenty of room to relax, it becomes the perfect place to spend evenings with family. The primary suite is private, spacious, and thoughtfully designed. Large windows overlook the surrounding landscape, while the ensuite bathroom features a freestanding soaking tub, double vanity, walk-in shower, and a generous walk-in closet. Secondary bedrooms are positioned on the opposite side of the home, providing privacy for both homeowners and guests. This layout works equally well for growing families, empty nesters, or anyone who enjoys hosting visitors. Homes inspired by this design often fall between 2,300 and 2,500 square feet, depending on regional building costs, engineering requirements, and finish selections. More importantly, every square foot serves a purpose. Nothing feels wasted. Nothing feels oversized. And that's exactly what makes this home so appealing. Final builder tip: the biggest mistake many people make is chasing square footage instead of quality.
A well-designed 2,300 square foot home with excellent natural light, smart storage, and a functional layout will almost always feel better to live in than a much larger home with poor planning. Good design creates value that lasts long after construction is finished. So, which of these 5 barndominiums was your favorite? Was it the clean minimalist design? The timeless farmhouse? The private courtyard layout? The contemporary glass home? Or the ultimate dream barndominium? Let me know in the comments below. I genuinely love to hear which design you'd build and why. If you enjoyed this video and want more realistic barndominium tours, floor plans, design ideas, and building inspiration, make sure to subscribe to Barndominium Drafts. New videos are on the way and you won't want to miss what's coming next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.